In order for dreams to be interpreted, the meanings of the phenomena seen must be known. We have gathered the meanings of the different ways flatbread is seen in dreams, primarily focusing on seeing lavash bread in a dream. People seeing lavash, or things related to lavash in their dreams, is generally interpreted with positive meanings. Seeing lavash bread in a dream signifies attaining material prosperity. This prosperity is so vast that the dreamer will become rich enough to buy anything they desire and eat anything they crave. Furthermore, lavash bread is also interpreted as happiness. Seeing oneself baking lavash bread at home is interpreted as the person having a very determined character. Another meaning of this dream is that the dreamer possesses the strength to overcome every kind of difficulty, never gives up working to achieve their desires, and that the dreamer's wishes will be fulfilled in the shortest time possible. The meaning of seeing lavash in a dream is that the dreamer will acquire abundant earnings easily and without struggle. Through this, making very effective investments and becoming rich is also among the other meanings of the dream. Other meanings include that luck will always be on the dreamer's side and their affairs will proceed smoothly. It is recounted that a person who sees themselves eating lavash in their dream will never be without food or bread. Furthermore, it is also among the interpretations that the dreamer will be bestowed with abundant grace by Allah, and therefore, the dreamer will always be someone who gives thanks to Allah. The meaning of seeing hot lavash bread in a dream is that if the dreamer is patient, they will be honored with Allah's blessings and attain their desires. Among the meanings of the dream are also that the dreamer will attain a high position, live a luxurious life, and will lack nothing. A person who sees bread in their dream is given good tidings of beautiful days. It is also among the interpretations that wealth and prosperity will find the dreamer. Another meaning of the bread seen in the dream is to save money. However, if the bread seen in the dream is yellow in color, then the meaning of this dream is that one will fall into hardship and difficulty. The flatbread seen in a dream heralds that the dreamer will have a long life. A person who sees themselves eating bread in a dream is given the glad tidings that they will step into a beautiful life.